ILETS Innovation Award goes to Mr. Nitin Vishnu Chaudhary, Scientist D and District Information Officer, National Informatics Center, Akola, Government of Maharashtra, for his department's project on security in cloud computing under the category of Cyber Security Initiative. Nitin Vishnu Chaudhary.
So, thank you, ILETS. Thank you, Dr. Gupta sir, for organizing such a wonderful technological conference. ILETS is always inspirational for NIC Akola. We have received our first award in 2013, that is eMaharashtra, for implementation of virtual machine as a service in the state of Maharashtra for implementation of virtual machine as a service under NLRMP. So moving towards the current work, this work investigates, study and analyze the cloud computing, security in cloud computing, evolution of cloud computing in Indian government, architecture of cloud computing in Indian government, and security architecture in the cloud environment of Government of India, and suggest the modification in the security architecture as per the changing scenario and to fulfill the future needs for the secured service delivery from central up to the end user level. So we have concentrated on cloud services and some key components of service delivery like connectivity, indoor connectivity, connectivity at the remote level, and again the digital literacy. About the cloud services, basically the cloud services are designed for the centralized processing where the data centers are located thousands of miles away from the end users. The physical distance between the cloud infrastructure location and the end user creates a latency. The emerging technologies such as the IoT, Wi-Fi 6 and 5G are used for the total remote monitoring and management, and this technology requires the huge amount of producing the data at the source level where the data is actually generated and requires agile real-time processing and data analysis at the source level for the improved services. So processing this data at the central level, which is thousands of miles away from the data source, create a latency problem. Therefore, the many emerging technologies are arise, and that technologies need to be implemented in the cloud services in order to the secure processing at the at the end user level also. So this is the overall briefing, sir. And this research study is prepared, and 3 research papers are also published in one in Scopus Index Journal and another in the IEEE Journal, and the papers also presented in the IEEE conference. And just recently, the paper on security in cloud computing in Indian government is published in the International Journal of Next Generation Computing. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.